Good morning and welcome back to my channel where I make healthy lifestyle videos, which include new recipes, some fashion content, some beauty content, and a look into my crazy life. So it is Monday morning and I am getting ready to head to work. And I actually wasn't gonna film today, but then I changed my mind. So I don't really have everything planned out, so to speak, but I will show you what I eat in a day. I will show you the Weight Watcher points and the calories. And so for breakfast, I have already had my coffee. I have an espresso machine and I mix 1 scoop of this with my coffee and some sugar-free creamer. And that has 70 calories and 1 Weight Watcher point. So I've already had this, and I'm going to take to work a Chobani Zero Sugar. This particular flavor is milk and cookies. So I thought what I might like to do with that is take a little handful of this Premier Protein cereal as kind of granola to put on top. I think that would be good. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this in a sandwich baggie and take it to work. So like I said, it's Monday. I have to head out the door. I do wanna let you guys know that I went on Mike's friend's boat yesterday. We went up and down the flats area of Cleveland and had lunch at this really cool restaurant. So I will show you a little clip of that while I head to work, and then I will see you when I get home for lunch. All right, so I made it home for lunch, and you saw that I had my Chobani Zero Sugar yogurt. I got the cookies and cream kind, and I put about 2 tablespoons of the Premier Protein chocolate and almond cereal and mixed it up, and it was delicious. So, all right, I am ready to make myself some lunch. And what I'm gonna do is just a simple grilled cheese. I'm going to use 2 slices of the 35 calorie per slice Nichols light white bread. I'm going to spray it with, I can't believe it's not butter spray for 0 points. Each piece of bread has 1 point on Weight Watchers. Then I'm gonna use 1 slice of Velveeta. That is 40 calories and 1 Weight Watcher point. And then I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of reduced fat mozzarella on there. When I was little, my mother always made my grilled cheese with a little bit of mozzarella on it, and she called it silly cheese sandwiches because when you pull it apart, the mozzarella, you know, has the string. So, little nostalgia. So I'm gonna get that together, and then I had some leftover soup. Yesterday I made a package of chicken ramen noodles, and I had about 2/3 of it. And I also beat an egg and added it to the soup when it was boiling. for a little extra protein. So I'm not really sure how to count this. I'm probably going to just scan the ramen and then just estimate about a third of the points. So I'll post that, but I have that left over to have it with my grilled cheese. And then after I'm done eating my lunch, I am going to marinate some chicken for dinner tonight. So tonight I'm going to make Greek chicken gyros, or gyros, however you want to pronounce it. And I need to marinate the chicken in some Greek yogurt with some garlic, some lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, and some salt and pepper. And I'll let that marinate all afternoon. And when I get home, I will throw it in a pan on the stove and cook it up and show you how I prepare my chicken gyros. So let me get started making my lunch. All right, so I had my grilled cheese and soup, and that really hit the spot. But it really wasn't as much protein as I like to try to get. So I am going to bring this Quest salted caramel protein shake to work to have maybe somewhere around 3:30 or 4 o'clock. And then I think my dinner with the chicken gyros will be pretty high in protein between the chicken and you use a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna use some feta. Anyway, you'll see how I do it. So I'm going to head back to work. This evening we are finalizing the venue for Mandy's wedding. So we are meeting at the hotel. She's getting married on a rooftop overlooking Lake Erie. And then the ballroom is right below it. So we are gonna meet them. We're gonna make the final payments. We're gonna tie up some loose ends and get Mandy all set. She's getting married in a little over 4 weeks, which means I've got to get busy if I want to lose a little bit of weight before my mother of the bride dress. So anyway, that's tonight, and I wanted to make something kind of quick for dinner before I have to head out to the hotel. So that's where I thought of the chicken gyro, because I just am going to cook the chicken, in a frying pan on the stove, and I have one of those Joseph's pitas. They're 60 calories and 1 Weight Watcher point, and I'll mix everything together, and I'll let you know more about how I'm gonna do that when I get home. All right, I better head out the door. See you then. So I'm getting ready to go with Mandy to finalize her venue, but I wanted to show you this outfit. I had a Temu haul a couple videos ago where I showed you I got this blue shorts outfit and this necklace to go with it. And I just wanted to show you how cute this turned out to be. It's kind of, you know, really flowy, which is always good. But, and then I think the necklace looks really good with it. So I'm pleased. All right, so I am going to meet you guys back in the kitchen and make my Greek chicken gyros. So I will see you there. All right, so I have my chicken that I have had marinating all afternoon. I'm going to throw it in the pan with some olive oil spray and cook that. And then in the meantime, I am going to chop up some tomatoes and some red onion, and then a little bit of cucumber. And then when the chicken's done, I'm going to warm up a Joseph's pita bread in the microwave for like 15 seconds. And then I'm gonna put the chicken on there, and then the tomato, onion, and cucumber salad. And then I'm gonna top it with some store-bought tzatziki sauce made out of Greek yogurt and some fat-free feta crumbles. And I think it will be delicious. So I did link a recipe down in the description box below, but I am only following it loosely. But it gives you the recipe for the chicken and for how to make your own tzatziki sauce. So if you want to try it out, please feel free to check out that recipe. It's where I got my idea for the marinade. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera down and get started. so I just had my chicken gyro and it was really good. I have never tried a Greek yogurt marinade before. I've heard about it, and I've heard that it makes the chicken very tasty and juicy, and I would agree. It was really good. And I have some chicken left over. I think tomorrow I'm gonna have a Greek salad. I have plenty of my cucumber salad left over. I'm gonna have that over some lettuce with my chicken and some feta. I think that'll be a really good lunch tomorrow. All right, so I am headed to my daughter's. We're going to drive to her wedding venue and shore up the details and finish paying it off. So I'm not sure if we're gonna do anything after. If we do, I'll be sure to put it on camera. So otherwise, I will see you when I get back. All right, well, I am finally back from meeting with the wedding venue. It lasted 3 hours. I mean, there were a lot of details to iron through, so what a long night. So I apologize, I didn't get to videotape anything, but essentially, you know, we paid some bills, we made some decisions about, you know, where tables would be, what type of linens they'd use, all that sort of thing. So we got that done, and Mandy is so excited, and I'm so excited for her. She's gonna be such a beautiful bride, and I am looking forward to showing you guys just how lovely she is going to be. But with that being said, I just had that chicken gyro several hours ago, and now I need a snack. So I wanted to put in a quick end of the video, but after I'm done talking to you guys, I'm gonna go make some peanut butter toast with the 35-calorie bread, probably 2 pieces. And I was at a bridal shower, not Mandy's, another friend's, about 2 weeks ago, and as a gift, they gave us homemade apple butter. So I might put a little smidge of that with the peanut butter. And then I'm gonna try to unwind because I have just been going all day. So if you like this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. And tick that notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a new video. I'm going to say good night, and I will see you next time.